Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to get started with MCP on Swarms in under 2 minutes. Okay, so first step is to pip install use Swarms. You're going to get your Swarms package. Now next step is to set up the MCP servers. So here you can get your MCP servers. You could also customize the port. You know, you set up the server as you wish, or you use a pre-existing server. So once you have your servers, you just run this file. Now your server is running, and now let's go to your agents. So to integrate MCP into Swarms, it's very simple. All you have to do is basically give the agents this MCP URL parameter. It's just one line, and it'll automatically fetch the tools and execute the tools. So yeah, all we have to do here is now say what tool to use to get the volume. And since we already have this, and we can just type in Python 3, and then the MCP agent will be executed. And so you see it fetched two tools. It called the function, it got the response from the MCP tool, and then it summarizes the results. So here it says the 24-hour trading volume for BTC USD is 4,700, and that's how to get started with MCP on Swarms. If you want to learn more, check out the docs, and if you want to get started using Swarms, check out the GitHub repo here. And yeah, also join our Discord community for real-time support if you want real-time support. So thank you.